interested in being in the limelight.
Focus in dressing.
I don't
Okay.
go and do everything.
And
Only,
you can do anything.
that was the most painful time. I was having a little confidence on myself that
Definitely we get hurt, we just stop.
but it's just the thirst for growth.
If they are not going this with hangers, with chappals,
They said that I look like Aishwarya Rai. Oh my God.
Thank you so much, Shireen and Pari, to accept the invite. Welcome to Table Conversation. Real
Thank
talk, bring real
Thank you.
facts. How was the day today? Summer.
It is very hot, I must say. It has been very hot for the past few days.
How about you, Pari?
it's hot. Everyone is feeling hotness nowadays.
Yeah.
So, what was your reaction when we approached you for the table conversation?
See, always when you get an invitation, you are always happy, like somebody is noticing you, right?
Yeah.
That's the first thing for me. And then when I went into your page, I saw your work, I followed it all. It seemed to be very nice, very interesting. So then I thought, okay, this is something that would be interesting to do as well.
How about you, Pari? It was one night, something happened, something called, something.
When I got a call, and I was like, okay, I'm excited. I have to do it because I wanted to share something new, like which is related to me, and someone is noticing me, as she said. So I was definitely excited for this.
It is because in a conversation that brings out different changes,
Yeah.
especially with real influencers
Yeah.
or real personas. It's not that we are always focusing on the journeys, but also something which is hidden. So, shall we start the segment number one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. A journey is not complete with following your vision or mission. Any impact you think that has led to change yourself to another career?
Wow, I didn't expect such a deep question. Well, I must say that, in my family, I'm somebody who's very, very different from everybody else. Okay, I've always been interested in being in the limelight. I like it when, I'm on the stage performing. I don't think in my family there's anybody else who was so much inclined towards something like this. But it's not that I was not interested in academics or something. I was interested in that also. I've always wanted to be doing everything. Even when I was in school, college, I wanted to do everything. Yeah, I wanted to do everything. So people would be like, "What do you want to do?" I said, "No, I want to do everything. Why can't I do everything?" So impact, I would say maybe the friends around me, the kind of teachers I had. Maybe that was the kind of impact that I had. I'm thinking that maybe it must be the people who are around, friends, my parents, my teachers.
I'm also the very different person in my family. I was always attracted with her social media models and their dresses and everything. I always used to go anywhere. I used to focus in dressing.
Okay,
Yeah.
lifestyle.
Yeah, style, and that is always attracting me. So that's why I just started and thinking let's go and just do this something different.
When you say about your success, a smile comes, but there's a pain behind it.
Yeah, definitely.
Not
It is.
easy to kick the stroke because people say family background is important, you are known, reference is important. How important is for you think, influencer as a reference?
I do influencer work also. That's just one of the things. And like I was just discussing before this with you, right? I mean, I don't go and do everything. Only things that I think I connect with or I think I like, I do only for that. Otherwise, my main thing is to perform as an MC, as a singer, as an actor,
No.
Yeah, in short.
So we have a singer today
I
here.
wanted to be in that kind of a field. And references are definitely very important. I am born and raised in India, complete Indian product. I came here and things have worked out for me even without references. Of course, after I started getting work, there was word of mouth and references after that. But the beginning part, there was no references. I was like trying my level best. So that pain, that was the most painful time when I was trying to keep, hold my feet there. Yeah, that was the time when it was a little painful. Then things have started moving a little smoother than before.
For me, I think success is when your people are around you, like your family, your friends. That is the most important thing. So when they are with me, I feel success myself. These things definitely is very important to us, but I think we are paying something which is really hard for us sometimes. But I feel like family and friends, that should be with you. Then you are strong and you can do anything if they are supporting you.
Support is a system which we sometimes take for granted.
Yeah,
Because
exactly,
we
yes.
think that that's what we feel comfortable.
Mhm.
but there is called comfort zone, which you try to bring it out.
We feel like sometimes if this person, my mom is with me, "Eh, what happened with her? Okay, no worries. She can stay without me." We are just taking it granted like that. So this is what I think we don't need to, because everyone have like, no one can stay here a lifetime. Everyone
Yeah.
have their time period.
The next question is coming on that.
Yeah, everyone have a time period. So I feel like we don't need to take it a granted.
Yeah.
I
How
feel like
about
that.
you?
Okay, so yes, what you said is absolutely right. There is a possibility that we take things for granted, but I don't know. Maybe it is the kind of upbringing that I've had. I don't know what it is, but I've been married very early in my life, and I've got 2 kids, which is good because I finished all of that, and now I'm like a little free because my kids are a little grown up. So when that initial part, when they were just like, my daughter was like 6 months, 7 months old, uh, there was a time when I used to take them to my events, and I used to do my work. In between, they would come, I would adjust. So, like I said, even if there is support from the family, from my husband, from my parents, from my kids, I was not taking it for granted. Maybe because, like I said, because of the upbringing, or it could be anything, a lot of external factors affect you. So maybe because of that, I've never taken it for granted, and I don't want to, because for me, family is very, very, very important.
Choice is something which we make.
Yes.
Sometimes we do regret it.
Yeah.
But sometimes it brings a stroke to success. But most of the time, our choices impacts our family.
Yeah.
Do you think your choice of your life, of your decision has impacted you somewhere?
Okay, so if you ask me about that, when I initially made a choice of quitting my banking job and getting into this, it was not easy to convince the family, obviously, but there I was having a little confidence on myself that I think I can prove it, and with God's help, I've been able to not prove it, I would say, but yeah, I'm at least doing something, something where I'm able to earn from my passion. So there I'm like happy. The choice I made, which was very difficult, my father was not very happy with me doing short films and all. He was not at all happy, but now he's okay. Now he's
How
okay.
about you, your choice?
I think definitely you are compromising something when you are choosing something, but when you are happy to do something, you will make another people happy. If you are not happy, how can you make another people happy? That's not possible.
Yeah.
So I feel like choice, if you are choosing something which makes you happy, I think go for it.
So when it comes to the family, today we are here because of them. Everyone has their own journey,
Yeah.
but we are sharing something that is a mission of their. How important you think is a family?
Oh my God. I mean, for me, it is very, very important. There have been big, big, big opportunities that I've got. I did not want to go, after a certain point, you have a thing, like, no, beyond this, I don't want to go, because I want to be there for my family also. I don't want to like completely move into it. If I can make some arrangement and then go, it's fine. But otherwise, I don't want to like leave them, and for me, family is very, very,
How
very
much?
important.
For me as well, family is so important because last year, my father had a cancer, and then I have realized how much your parents are important to you. Then I realized, okay, when I have seen my dad in the hospital, I was completely like, I have no words to say anything. I was just keep like looking at them for 2 seconds and then just come out, because I was literally crying that time. And I don't want to get like to see my father like this. And then I realized, okay, so parents is really important to you. Your family is really important to you, because those are the ones who have supported to you to like whatever you want to achieve in your life. Because of them, you achieved it.
You realize the importance of parents when it's very late.
Mhm.
That's why I always say through this cause that the wake is required. As you said something, ask me because I don't get a call anymore. It's hard. It's getting broken that every afternoon you get a call. Did you eat the lunch? Did you slept? What time you come home? And that don't come anymore. But I feel so happy that I see the Gen Zs When the parents call them, take the updates.
We are getting irritated when our mom and dad just keep calling us and asking where you are, where you are, where you are. But now we are realizing it, how important those calls are.
That's what I'm saying, no?
Yeah.
The calls I don't, but when I see the Gen Zs getting the calls and they answer very nicely, I feel no, this cause is really working out.
Yeah.
Because we need to stop out the old age homes. It's too much.
It's too much.
It's really to realize that they are the one because we are here. Moving said that, choices is a part of life, but passion is something that click us. As you said, you were in biotech and then moving to your many other passion. You were from there. How is you satisfied with your current decision?
I am actually very happy with whatever I have decided and whatever I have got till now. But like I said, I want to do it all. I still have a lot to do. A lot to do. And I've always been interested in studying. I would really want to study more. Yeah, and I'm also looking into it. I hope I can start that soon as well. If you ask me how will you make time, I don't know, but I will.
How about you, Pari?
For me, yes, definitely this inspires me a lot. I'm always get passionate when I used to see TVs, like how models are wearing those clothes, actors and everything. This always inspired me. So my husband and my family have supported me. That's why I'm here to achieve my passion. And I think I'm going so well. And every day I'm learning something new in my life. So it's good.
It's like the learning never stops because the more you grow, the more you learn. Plus, you're learning from your younger generation much more in different way. Which we think that we could apply in our life. We could be very easy. But sometimes rejection is very challenging. Rejection is something which you get. Sometimes you can take it up, but sometimes you break down. Have you ever encountered rejection in your life?
Yeah.
How did it come out?
Some rejections definitely hurts me a lot because I have given so many efforts to achieve it, and when I got rejected, definitely it hurts me. But I think rejection always gives you some lessons in your life to achieve more. Definitely we get hurt, we just stop doing something which we are doing. But definitely we have to learn and move on because this is life.
Of course, I've got rejections, and for me, I mean, I've heard it a lot of these celebrities and people who are successful in life. They say that success is never going to teach you anything. Rejections, failures are going to teach you a lot of things. Similarly, I've also learned a lot from the rejections. If at all I get a rejection, at least for me, it is like it's like something. For me, it is like something where I can look into myself and I can improve myself. So if I get a rejection, I'm going to see what the reason is. If the reason makes sense to me, or it really makes some sense, then I will try to improve that thing in me. So rejection is fine. Yeah.
Misuse. This is something which we do as an influencer, as any. When we are in a position, we misuse is our granted. Have you misused your own power?
I think I need to have a little more power to start misusing it.
I also want some power in my life so I can misuse it. I think we don't need to, because you got this success because you have worked hard to get it. If you are misusing it, definitely the other person who is getting inspired from us, what they will think that, okay, so this is what is happening in the future. So maybe they will stop attracted from what we are doing right now. So this is what I can say.
Oh my, the conversation is going beyond my thought. Really, it's impacting a lot. It's insecurity. Have you ever got into the insecurity?
Yeah, it happens. So that's why I say
insecurity. Okay, I don't know if it is a jealousy. No, that becomes too negative. For me, it is like, okay, I wish I was in that place. Is fine. Not that I wish that person shouldn't have got and I should have known. That's not my thought. My thought is I want to reach that place as well. So insecurity, not really, but it's just the thirst for growth.
Yeah, she's right.
That
not
is true.
that
That is good.
good. Yeah,
You know,
yeah, she's
insecurity
totally right,
and
and I
jealousy is a very
agree.
negative
Yeah,
word.
it's a negative word. Yeah, I
Yeah.
completely understand.
Yeah.
But that is something like, if let's say we are sharing with someone, whatever is just pinching us, they will call jealousy.
Yeah.
Right? They will definitely call jealousy. But yeah, you are right. It is not jealousy, but it is something that you are thinking,
Can't
why
move
I
on.
काश मैं achieve कर लेती, why I cannot achieve it,
Yeah.
why.
It's just the third burst
Yeah.
of growth. You want to go from one step to second, then third, then fourth. It's
Yeah.
fine. I mean, I don't think that's like you're getting inspired and you want to move forward. It's fine.
Yeah.
As I say that, I want to end the segment number 1 because it's going more deeper. So I don't want it to be not long-term conversation.
Yeah.
Before we end the segment number 1, what is something you feel you need to add in your life? What is the something you think you need to delete from you?
Something that I had to delete was people who would give, somebody who gives you negative criticism. It can affect you in many ways. Somebody who gives you constructive criticism, where they want you to improve and they're telling you when something is not good on you, or something that you've done is not right. That kind of criticism you should add in your life. Whereas people who are going to just simply nag to pull you down, those kind of, I've already started that filtering.
What do you want to add?
Adding is people who are going to give me genuine opinion. If it is not good, they should tell me it's not good, but in a way that I would understand.
So what do you want to add?
Ignorance. So this is what I need to add in my life, that how to ignore it, how to just move on easily.
Delete.
Some disrespect which hurts me still in my life, that why I have taken these kind of decisions. I wanted to reduce, that is like the same thing, whatever I wanted to add on in my life, the ignorance, that's it.
That's what the conversation
Yeah.
about that happening is something, but rejection and failure is part of life.
Yeah.
Always we know that the growing is not only important, but you need to develop and grow. With that note, we are ending our segment number 1, that is behind the persona. We'll move to our segment number 2, which is Brand and Beyond. So we are moving to our segment number 2, Brand and Beyond. What was the first impression when you entered to the cafe? Story.
This cafe, it is really, first of all, this area is getting developed so fast, so quickly. They've developed so much, this entire area, and this cafe, it really looks, the interiors are very nicely done. I can see so many books. I'm so tempted to sit and read, but after this I have work, so I have to rush. But I'm definitely coming here with my family because I can also see games and everything. The interiors are beautiful, very nice, very nice.
How about you?
I live in this area, but this is first time I'm just
Okay.
coming in this cafe. I have never tried this cafe before.
Really?
Yeah, really.
So what's your impression when you enter?
It's very good
Yeah.
because now I can see, okay, Movila is really good now. That's why I love this area. Yeah.
Today we are having a different drinks. I trust me, it was very tempting for me, and I could see you guys were having this kind of.
Yeah.
How was the drinks? How was the coffee? Hot drinks.
It's very good.
I have nothing to say about black coffee.
That's a choice.
Yeah.
It was her choice, but then
Yeah.
Because
And he, on purpose, he's now having that in front of me.
because he wants to get some jealous.
Yeah, see, this is jealousy, okay?
Yeah,
The
this
food, yeah, I
is
do
called
understand.
jealousy.
Yeah.
This is what I do whenever the people reject some food. I try to be more tempting to them. Then this happens. This normal.
So they just regret it.
Yeah.
Okay,
regret.
so
I
in
mean-
next
I
part
mean-
they will say, okay, I regret that I have just rejected this food.
Yeah, no, I don't want to regret, but I will come here for sure and have it when I am having the day where I can have that much. Yeah,
Yeah,
but,
for sure.
Today I didn't.
How about sweets, chocolates? Do you
Oh.
love sweets?
I am a big sweet tooth. I can sit and there is a time when my metabolism is very good, when I used to sit and have 1 liter of ice cream in one time. I can. If you give me a challenge now, I can do it. I don't want to because I'm on a diet right now. But yeah, I'm a full-on chocoholic. I love chocolates. I love sweets. I don't like those jalebi and laddu and those kinds of things. I like very limited. But chocolates and this kind of drinks and these kinds of things. I love.
How about you? How's
I like cakes, pastries, and ice cream as well. But not every time I want it.
surprise for you? It will be revealed in segment number 4. There's a
Oh.
brand that's gonna be more of sweet culture, but it's a purely authentic organic. So you will love it in that point.
I
So
will
with-
try it.
Yeah, with that note, we're ending our Brand and Beyond. You have seen the story cafes. Drinks are amazing, and plus you'll be having something from a surprise brand which will be revealed in surprise. So we'll move to our segment number 3, that is crowd and queue. Now we have asked our audience to ask questions.
Okay.
You're already on the floor. So let's see how you answer, but you need to answer very fast. What's the longest someone has waited to meet you?
Someone means it can be anyone.
Anyone?
Not long, yeah. I'm always like, I'm not like that kind. I'm like available, you know. Anybody tells me they want to meet me, I will just be
How
okay.
about you?
No one, because I always like informing them that, see, if you want to meet me, just inform me before, because I have to.
What is the most surprising fan have ever given you?
Okay. So somebody drew my picture and gave me. Yeah.
Wow.
Which was very sweet. I really liked it. And I was happy that they made me thinner than I was. So, yeah.
Marriage I have gone, and there's a one, like few of the girls, they came to me and said, we are a fan of yours, can we take a picture with you? I was like, okay, I am a fan. Okay, now I can say, okay, I'm just doing something in my life.
That's
So
nice.
that is the big achievement in my life.
What is something a follower once told you and you got freeze? Oh,
When they say, so somebody told me, okay, I'll show you that picture, okay? Because when I say this, I might get a lot of hate. There was one particular picture that they said that I look like Aishwarya Rai. Oh my God! I was like, what? If Aishwarya Rai hears this, I don't know what will happen to her.
no, but you look
Only
like an
one photo.
actress of. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
She looks like an actress has featured with with Ajay Devgan.
Who is that?
I will let you know.
Aishwarya Rai was
No,
also.
no.
Yeah, even I was thinking the same.
Yeah, no.
Really?
I don't.
Now I'm
remember
freezing
the
again.
name.
How about you?
Yeah, there's a lot of people who is messaging me, you look like her, you look like her. If, okay, maybe.
Does crowds of giving a positive vibe give you overwhelmed? You feel happy when
Of course. Of
positive
course.
crowd-
Yeah. When there is even there is a negative crowd, there are, okay, so I'm an MC, I'm an anchor, so I handle a lot of crowds, okay? Sometimes there are some nasty people who will make comments or something. So there is a way that we can, play around it, and finally I make sure by the end of the event, they will turn your fan.
Wow, how about you?
There's a lot of people who some say something and some say something. So yeah, some given me a good vibes and positivity. So that's why I still like them and still contacting with them.
Have you ever had a fan cry meeting you? Oh, that's crazy.
No,
It's
we are not that much successful, Esther.
I hope it will happen someday.
What's your dream public event to attend or to host?
Dream public event to host would be something like, IFA Awards.
I was about to say that.
Yeah,
Same
IFA
here.
Awards. or
IFA
some-
Award.
Frankly, even before IFA Awards, I don't know if I'm just walking too much ahead, but I was even thinking something like Emmy Awards or Oscar Awards, something of that level, I really want to do someday.
IFA.
I fucking change your life.
To host, huh?
Yeah.
Definitely,
like-
everyone can notice us then. Okay, she's the one who is just.
Does your followers like you with filter or without filter?
Me with makeup.
With filters, everyone is using it.
Ever got inspired by a fan story or any follower story?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah.
Because see, whatever it is, whoever is following you or what, when you look into what they're doing, that's also equally inspiring. Yeah? A lot of people are doing so much.
Everyone have their own story. So definitely, if you are listening everyone's story, then you can say, okay, I have not that much problems in my life. They have. So I think story is always inspiring you. That's why we are making films and this stories we are watching Netflix and.
If you got 1 minute with your any follower, what would you ask or what would you say?
If I have 1 minute, okay. So it depends on what that follower does.
How? That's a good one. How?
Same here. Yeah, same here. Because whatever she said, that is completely right. Because we wanted to know something about the follower.
With that note, that's a crowded queue. We're ending now. We'll go into our segment number 4, which is Unplug Unleash. Inspiring, fun, crowded queue gone. Now the next is Unplug Unleash. We need to answer very fast. No more thinking. What comes in your mind? Be honest, be OG. That's what the segment is called about. So we'll start from here and we'll finish from here. Okay. When was the last time you went offline completely?
Last month,
How about you?
I didn't go.
Okay. What's one hobby that always helped you to reset yourself?
I used to watch myself in the mirror and ask me what I'm doing. Why? I'm so beautiful. Why I need to stop myself? Let's start it again.
Music.
Music. Any guilty you have that you posted content and you feel no, it was not good one. I should not post that. It happened.
Yeah, sometimes.
Okay. How do you recharge your creativity, your mindset towards the positive?
Gym.
Music.
Okay. What's your favorite one time to spend alone?
With music at home.
Finally, music. And you?
No, if I'm with myself, I like to write something or I like to read something.
That's the story.
Yeah.
No, okay. Have you ever considered quitting social media?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. What's something you have tried, but it turned out to be a nightmare?
But I can't share it.
Turned out to be nightmare. No, nothing like that.
Ever you got in your childhood from your parents?
Yeah. Because of them, we are so much strong now. We can take decision correctly. If they are not going this with hangers, with chappals, and this has happened with everyone, and this is a fun actually. We can share it with our kids in future or with anyone else.
How about you?
Yeah, of course. I've got till 12th grade because after 12th grade I was in the hostel. So I've not got, after that they've not got the.
Oh my days. What's your sleep routine you like, but it makes weird for others?
Sometimes I wake up like at 2 o'clock and I'm like, why I'm doing this, man? I have to do something. I have to achieve something. Why I'm sleeping so much? But still next day again I'm sleeping.
Is that I sleep late and then I wake up early. So I'm always sleep deprived. So that's something that my family tells me that you should not do, and which I know I should not. It's just because of the work and the hectic schedule.
Any habit you think you need to change from yourself?
Kindness. I'm so much kind to the people. If
For me, I think I say things on face. Not everybody likes it.
Last but not the least, any movie you think that relates to your life and you think it's a good journey of that movie?
No, yeah, they're supposed to make a movie on
A
me.
biography you
Yeah,
might
I'll talk to Karan Johar.
Dear Zindagi, Arya Bhatt's movie.
Yeah, Dear Zindagi. That's
Nice.
one of
Thank
the
you so
brand. That's
much.
Layla Truffles, who represents the woman in Dubai.
Oh
In
wow!
Rashidia, they have their main office. You can order from there, try it out. They have opening in Ras Al Khaimah also. You never know, you can be a part of it.
Oh nice!
This is matching with the combination.
Yeah.
Wow! Oh, this is. That's full of chocolates.
Yeah, full of
Oh my
chocolates.
God.
I guess it's chocolate with the biscuits.
Yeah.
And this is
And
It's
this
pure
is with
chocolate.
oh,
white
wow.
chocolate, like the hard
Very
one.
nice.
Picture
Also,
this.
very nice.
Very nice, yeah.
It's tempting.
It's called Laila
Layla Truffles.
Truffles and Bites. Laila Truffles and Bites.
Something amazing with Layla Truffles. How did you feel it?
Wow.
Amazing.
It's still melting in my mouth.
Yeah.
Like I
very
said,
good.
I'm going to adjust my calories for today, but I don't regret this.
I love it.
With that note, we are moving to our last segment. So our last segment of the day is conversation that matters. How important you think is conversation?
Conversation is very, very important, be it in a in a relationship, between friends, between family, even this kind of a conversation. Because today now I don't know her. I got to know a new person. I didn't know you as a person. Now I got to know you, your team. So conversation definitely always helps for us to learn more things and know more people, which is good.
Oh,
For me as well. Because if there's any misunderstanding, just sit and clear it. If you are not doing any conversation, then I think these misunderstanding can grow
toxic.
more and more and more and more.
What did you learn from Pari? And Pari, what did you learn from Shiv?
Pari, I think she's very passionate. I can see the passion in what she wants to say so much. So I can see a lot of passion in her, and she's very pretty also.
Thank you
So,
so much.
Again, this comment answer is very clear. Huh?
Yeah, that is because
What
I
did you learn
really
from
love.
Srini?
like I said, I'm very blunt, even if it's good or bad. So if it's good, I will say it's good. So
What did you learn from
That
Parvez?
bluntness, whatever she said, that is completely, I think that is the good thing,
yeah.
which I used to say it and expect from the other person. If you don't like it, anything about me, just say it to me, but not in front of everyone.
Yeah.
Just say it to me personally. I will definitely try to change it, and I really like it, and I got inspired with this thing. This is there's a few people in my life who is really blunt, and you are one of them right now.
Thank you.
And I appreciate this thing, and just be yourself. You are really nice person, and I love your hair.
Oh, this is South Indian hair. Natural.
With that note, how was the concept of table conversation? Real talk, real impacts.
Oh, it was very nice. Once again, thank you to your entire team. They have been, we have been going back and forth,
Yeah.
and thank you so much for organizing it so well. I mean, I didn't know about these sweets and all that. But really, thank you so much. I loved it.
How was it?
I also loved it.
I'd like to
keep
come
delaying
again.
it. Yeah, keep delaying it. So this is what I can say. Yeah.
With that note, as I always say, any message you want to give to the youth before we end this session?
All I'd like to say is there is a lot of negativity, there is a lot of pulling down, and all of that happening all over. Let us be supportive of each other. You know, when you're going to be supportive of each other, spread a little more love. Not, if not love, at least spread a little more positivity. It really works wonders for yourself and for the people around. So let us do that.
How was it?
Be kind. Be honest.
With that note, as I always say, family is most important. Love them, share with them, because that's the moment you enjoy, because they are your one who can never betray you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Although they are your birthright, but then they are the one who will comfort you more.
Yeah.
And I always say that this journey of real talk, real impact is not complete without having such inspiring persona, because you represent your own journey with your own. You have seen so many upside and down, and here you can speak out, because this is a platform where we want the voice to raise. And I'm so proud to share the screen with you guys, and it's a masterstroke day. I love it.
And I love it
Same here.
too.
Same here.
I think we love it too.
Yeah.
It was a
Just
just
sit
fun.
and discuss about
Yeah.
our journeys, and
Yeah.
we have shared whatever is inside
Yeah.
us. I love
So with that note, that's Shireen. You can follow Insta. No need, follow us now. That's funny.
it. Faridi Raj.
Yeah.
And let's start signing out. Muhammad Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye.